In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Notepad file to Excel. Open the Start menu, search for Excel, and open the Excel app. When the Excel Start screen appears, look for the option called Blank Workbook and click it. Wait a moment for the empty spreadsheet grid to load on the screen before moving on. Now go to the ribbon along the top of Excel and click the Data tab. On the left side of the Data ribbon, find the Get and Transform Data section. In that section, click From Text/CSV. Excel will open a file browser window titled Import Data. Inside the Import Data window, navigate through your folders to find the Notepad text file you want to convert. Click the text file one time so it is selected. Then move to the bottom right corner of the window and click Import. Excel will open a preview dialog that shows the contents of your text file arranged like a table. At the top of the preview dialog, check the File Origin dropdown. Leave this on the option. Excel selected automatically. It will usually be something like 6501 Unicode UTF-8 or 1252 Western European Windows. You do not need to change it unless it is already showing the correct text incorrectly. Next, check the delimiter dropdown at the top of the same preview window. This should read Tab. If it does not say Tab, click the dropdown. Then choose Tab from the list. After selecting Tab, look at the preview area below and confirm that the data is split into 4 separate columns: Product, Region, Quantity, and Price. Once the preview looks correct, go to the bottom right of the preview dialog and click Load. Excel will create a new sheet, place the imported text data into the workbook, and format it as a table. You may also see the Queries and Connections pane open on the right side of the screen. Now save the workbook as an Excel file. Click the File tab in the top left corner of Excel. In the left sidebar, click Save As. Then click Browse so you can choose where the file will be saved. Pick the location you want, such as desktop. In the Save As type dropdown, make sure Excel Workbook.xlsx is selected. Now click into the file name box and type Sales Report. Type it as 2 words, because the final saved Excel file will be named salesreport.xlsx. After the name is entered, click Save. The Notepad file's data is now inside a real Excel workbook as a formatted table with 4 sortable and filterable columns. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the preview needs cleanup before loading, use Transform Data instead of Load in the preview dialog. This is only for cases where the preview shows the wrong headers, extra blank columns, or data types that need adjustment before the data goes into Excel. In the preview dialog, go to the bottom right corner and click Transform Data instead of clicking Load. A new window called Power Query Editor will open. In this editor, stay on the Home tab. If the first row of your file is meant to be the column headers but it is currently showing as normal data, click Use First Row as Headers on the Home tab. If there is an unwanted column in the preview, move your pointer to that column's header. Right-click the column header, then choose Remove from the menu. This drops that column from the data before it is loaded into Excel. When the data looks clean in Power Query Editor, go back to the Home tab at the top left of the editor window. Click Close and Load. Excel will send the clean data into the workbook as a formatted table, just like the standard import process. Closing and reopening the new salesreport.xlsx file will show the structured spreadsheet, and the conversion from Notepad text to Excel is complete.